Here's what oncologists won't tell you about the essential oils. An article titled Essential Oils and Their Constituents as Anti-Cancer Agents, A Mechanistic View, published by the U.S. National Library of Medicine, reported that cancer has become one of the most alarming diseases in the last few decades all around the world. This multifactorial disease contributes towards uncontrolled growth and invasion of abnormal cells that cause the formation of a tumor. The increase in the number of cancer cases might be due to the change in food and lifestyle habits, use of tobacco and alcohol, chronic infections, exposure to harmful radiations and chemicals, and environmental pollution. As essential oils are among the most powerful plant products used in medicine and complementary treatment strategies, researchers are now investigating their beneficial role in the treatment of different cancers. Andrea S. Blevins-Primo, Ph.D., MBA, explains that these concentrated, hydrophobic fractions derived from aromatic plants are rich in chemical constituents that have biologic activity. These oils have relaxing and medicinal properties that are used in perfumery, as flavoring agents, and in aromatherapy. Their chemical composition varies based on growing conditions of the plant and from which plant part the fraction was derived. These oils are able to change the frequency we resonate at. Researchers claim that diseases start developing as soon as we reach 58 MHz. Another important thing is that while negative thoughts reduce this frequency by 12 MHz, positive thoughts raise it by 10. This is quite encouraging since we can actually affect our health by using the power of positive thinking. Numerous scientists have confirmed these claims, and R.O. Becker, in his book The Body Electric, maintains that the electronic frequency of our bodies determines our health. Nikola Tesla also claimed that we can prevent ailments by removing outside frequencies. Dr. Otto Warburg discovered that the specific electrical voltage of our cells can lower as a result of various factors and leads to the development of many diseases, like cancer. Their findings show that higher frequency essential oils can effectively treat diseases with lower frequencies. Moreover, the famous immunologist M. Suhail maintains that cancer is developed when the nucleus in our cells inside the DNA is corrupted. The findings of Bruce Tainio, a scientist who has developed a special calibrated frequency monitor, show that essential oils can repair the damage of the DNA in our cells and reverse cancer. Note that you should always use therapeutic-grade essential oils. These are some of the studied essential oils and their electrical frequencies. Peppermint, 78 MHz. Angelica, 85 MHz. Sandalwood, 96 MHz. Juniper, 98 MHz. Lavender, 118 MHz. Frankincense, 147 MHz. Helichrysum, 181 MHz. Rose, 320 MHz. The most effective essential oil against breast cancer cells were thyme, cinnamon, chamomile, and jasmine essential oil, and thyme oil killed 97% of the cells, while the chamomile oil destroyed 93% of them. Here are some of the findings of the potential of essential oils in the fight against various types of cancer. Frankincense oil can divide the nucleus of cancer cells from the cytoplasm and inhibit their reproduction, due to the presence of monoterpenes. It is cytotoxic and destroys all stages of cancer, while not affecting the healthy cells. The topical application of frankincense and sandalwood oil on the bladder area for a few months healed cancer in a woman who was supposed to remove it immediately. The parents of a 5-year-old girl with brain cancer decided to give her the mixture of sandalwood and frankincense oil and rubbed it on her feet. They also rubbed lavender on her wrists. After only a few months, her cancer was completely gone. Frankincense oil healed cervical cancer in one woman after she was given only a few more months to live. The topical application of this oil on the area of the liver and a few drops under the tongue of a patient with end-stage cancer on his liver led to a significant reduction in the size of the tumor. Then, with only one operation, the patient was cancer-free and able to enjoy his life. The topical application of frankincense and lemongrass oil, as well as their application under the tongue, destroyed advanced breast cancer in one woman in a couple of months. Therefore, these amazing effects of essential oils should not be neglected, as they have the potential to defeat cancer even in the most severe cases.